Hello and welcome to Workiom. In this video, we are going to check out our CRM template, our customer relationship management template, to see how we can organize our sales pipeline and customer data. So when we open the template, we can see that there are 6 lists. The first one is the companies list, in which we have all the details of our customers, our former customers, and our leads here. So we have the website, email, and industry, company size, and we can see there are deals and contacts of the company, which are the linked lists fields linked with the other lists here, contacts and deals. So if you want to create a new company, we click on create new record, add the details, and click on save and close. We can filter out, for example, we can filter the leads by choosing filter by status and show only the leads, and click on save to see the leads. We can also search by typing the company name to easily access the company details. So our second list is the contacts list. Here we have the company contacts with all their information, and we can see which companies they relate to, and the activities, meetings, and the calls they attended, their position in the company, and so on. Our third list is the deals list. Here we can see the companies who are in the sales pipeline right now and the deal details. For example, we can see the start date, end date, the products they are interested in, the expected amount of the sale, and so on. So here we have the deal status, which we use for a Kanban view. We can see the stages of the sales pipeline. In order to move the company step by step, we can drag and drop to change their status. In order to change these stages, we can go to Fields menu and edit the deal status. We can remove a stage or create a new one, for example, proposal sent, and move it right after negotiation. And here it is created. If we click on the card, we can see the details of the deal, and on the right side of any record on our workspace, we can see the comments and the past activity, past changes happened on this card. In the calls list, we can see the sales calls and the notes we have taken about them, and we can see who we called and when we called. And similarly, in the meetings list, we can take records of each meeting, each sales meeting we have run, and we can also visualize it on a calendar view. So on products list, we have the products and services that our company provides with information like price or product photo, and we can use this list on deals list to show which products or which services this company is interested in. We can also add more details by creating new fields for our products. Let's check out the reports. Here we have some reports ready to use, but you can always create new ones. Click on add report and choose the list and configure the rest of the report. Here, for example, we can see how many deals we have in each stage of the pipeline. Basically, this is our CRM template. You can customize it according to your needs, and you can reach out to us to ask any questions. See you soon.